All right, so for frog, we got the liver right here. It's a 3-lobe liver, it's really big. And the fat bodies are over here on the side, but normally they're like in this area here. And then the heart is right here. The stomach is this right here. It's really big. It goes all the way down here. And then the spleen is right below that. It's this little guy right here. And then for large intestine is fairly short. It actually starts right here. And that's basically it. For lungs, we look under the liver here. You can see one there and one on the other side. Gallbladder, right between the liver. That little black sac right there. Let's see if you can see it between the liver. And then the duodenum is really close to the stomach. So we can see the stomach here, and it continues on here. And the jejunum is below that, further away from the stomach. Then the conus arteris is part of the circulatory system here, and it's to the top left of the heart, that structure right there. That's it.